All right, so we got some 22 ammo. In this video, I'm not gonna do the chronograph yet. I haven't brought that out. But we got some different ammo this time. We got this piece of metal I'm gonna show you. And we're gonna try out each one of these rounds. We know they're moving at different feet per second. The gun we're gonna be shooting got a 16-inch barrel. So we know feet per second ain't gonna be the max. But we're gonna try different ammo out on this metal sheet right here. So pretty much one of each of all of these different weights and stuff. And I'm gonna show you the metal. Got some holes in here, but you can tell them ain't 22s. They way bigger holes. We shot this before. Way bigger holes. So it's not that thick, but you can get an idea. It's not that thick right there. See if I can get it from this side. Got to be about that thickness through there. So we're gonna see what 22s can go through there. We're gonna stay in this upper section. So that's a hole there and a hole there. So we're gonna see what happens. First round we're gonna use is this Gemtech. And this is kind of for suppressed guns with suppressors. 42 grains, 10, 20 feet per second. Which I don't know if they got that out of a longer barrel, but it is what it is. We'll find out once we put it on the chronograph. So yeah, we're gonna do that top section. All right, let me go check that. All right, so that first round right here didn't go through. Just left a nice sized dent. And that might be because of that harder piece behind it. I might have to load up another one and hit it a little lower. A little lower than that. Do one more. About an inch lower. Yeah, so like an inch lower than that second shot. That should be good. All right. Oh, the second one went through. Yeah, so the second shot went through. This one almost went through. You can see it smashed up on there. Yeah, you can see it right there. I'm surprised because last time that stuff didn't go through. But I knew this probably stopped it. That little one right there. All right, let's try the next round. All right, so I never shot this ammo at all. This one's supposed to be super fast, 1,700 feet per second. But it's a lighter bullet, 24 grain. You put two in, just put two in. And where like that third shot was at, well, that second shot was good too. Just stay in that area. All right. Cause I know it's not a metal, extra piece of metal back there. All right, hit again. All right, let me go check that. Okay, both of those went straight through. Like that second shot went straight through. Clean hole, that's a lightweight big hole. All right, so we're gonna try something else. All right, so next, I think this is some new ammo I haven't shot either. Right here is the 40 grain Federal Premium. 1080 like the other stuff. All right, let me go check that. All right, so one of them didn't go through. because I don't think that wasn't there at first, but this one did go through. All right, we're gonna move on to the next. Okay, we got the Federal right here. Federal Champion, 1240. All right, let me go check that. All right, let's see. I believe it was these two down here where they went through. Cause I don't see no stoppage. Only stoppage I see is this one, that one, and that one. So those went through too. All right, we got the Winchester Wildcats. One of these the same as that. Oh no, okay. And that's say 1255, 40 grain. All right, let me check those. All right, so those went through. And we're probably about 40 feet away from this target. That's what the X's look like. So we're gonna try, we got a couple. All right, so here's another one, CCI, 1435, 40 grain. Before we did all of these. These might be Wildcats. So I might not do these. I don't even know what these is. That might be the same as that. And we're gonna do this one. Is this and probably these two. So a couple more. All right, let me go check that. All right. Bigger holes. These starting to look like, these ones look like 9mm holes compared to the other holes. That was that CCI. I thought it was this quiet. Okay, I thought it was this stuff right here. This stuff right here. We ain't gonna be able to, it don't run in semi-automatic. So that's the CCI right there, standard. So I'm gonna go check that. All right, one went in and one didn't. Yeah, that one didn't go through, it stopped, and that one did go in. All right, let's try these other ones. All right, so we got this one in first, and then we got this one in. This is a hollow point. So this one gonna be first. We're gonna shoot both, then we're gonna check. Yeah, that one sounded kind of weak, that Winchester. All right, so let's see where those was at. Okay, that one didn't go through. I'm not even sure which one was first and which one was second, but the other camera should have picked that up, hopefully. But one of them didn't go through. Maybe because it was on this bead, I don't know. All right, so we got the quiet CCI. All right, so where did that quiet hit? I don't think it went through. I think it was right here. It was only moving like 710. So it's the slowest round of all. All right, so the last round is what? This Wildcat? Wildcat's the last round. Pretty much everything went through that piece of metal. So we did all of these. We didn't do these.
We did.
Yeah, I want to try this one again because I don't think that one went through. But yeah, let's do these Wildcats, which is 1300, 40 grain. What did you say, 1 round?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check that. All right, let's see. I'm not even sure. I think it went through. I think it was this one, if I ain't mistaken. They're starting to get too many holes. I should have marked them off with something. That's another one that hit that little beam thing. But the ones that seem like they, which was the CCIs, they left a bigger hole. They wasn't moving the fastest. That normal was moving the fastest. But we're going to get these all on the chronograph and see what they moving out of that 16-inch barrel. So we finna try the 2 last rounds. It's going to be them 36s. Hollow points, I want to see if they going through. Yeah, and those are hollow points. 1280 moving feet per second. 36 grain. Probably like the top left. In the middle of that. Not all the way at the top, but like in the center.
Yeah.
All right, those hollow points went through. So pretty much everything made it through. Some stuff didn't. That's why we shot 2 rounds. I don't know why. Certain ones didn't go through. I can understand up here because it's like a second layer. But I don't know if that little beam, little weld beam made a difference. But some of them did get stopped. But you put multiple rounds, like say if this was a car door, which we gonna get a car door, multiple rounds, you'll get through it with a 22. It just take a little more work, but you can get through it.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit.